Welcome back to Third Shift Crafts. Today we're firing up the Weber Kettle to make smoked chicken wings finished off with some homemade ranch. This one's simple, flavorful, and perfect for game day or just a weekend cook. I'm starting with raw whole chicken wings. It's pretty simple to break them down. Just find the joint and cut between to separate the flat, the drum, and the wingtip. Once I've got them all separated, I toss them into a gallon Ziploc bag with cornstarch, flour, kosher salt, black pepper, granulated garlic, and paprika. A quick shake, and they're coated. Now you could totally skip the flour and cornstarch mixture and just go with avocado oil and your favorite seasonings. I just felt like adding a little breading this time. Do what you like, there's no wrong way here. And since I prepped these early, I popped the bag into the fridge until the grill was ready later on. While the wings rest, I make a quick ranch dressing. For mine, I use sour cream, Duke's mayo, lemon juice, parsley, dill, salt, pepper, and granulated garlic. I don't follow a strict recipe, just about half sour cream, half mayo, a splash of lemon, then add herbs and seasoning until it looks and tastes right. Mix it together and then let it sit in the fridge until dinner. The flavors come together nicely while the wings cook. Now let's head outside to the Weber Kettle and get the charcoal going. I'm using a vortex today, but you don't have to. Just keep in mind, vortex setups can run hot fast, so watch it closely. I light the charcoal with the tumbleweed, and once it's going, I'll add the grate back, put the lid on, and adjust the vents. I started earlier than I needed dinner ready, so I let the kettle come up to temp slowly and played around with the vents to stabilize it. Before the wings go on, I spray the grates with avocado oil to help prevent sticking. Then I lay the wings around the grill, spray the tops with avocado oil, and let them cook about 10 to 15 minutes at roughly 400 degrees. So from here, 15 minutes have gone by, and I'm going to give them another flip and let them go about another 15 minutes before I start checking the temperature. So our total cook time is around 30 minutes right now, and I'm just going to go ahead and check the temperature. You'll see I'm actually flipping them again because they are not quite ready yet. So we're just going to give them a flip and let them go for a little bit longer. So we're about 45 minutes in right now, and it's time to check the temperature. For wings, I like to aim around 175 to 180 internal. That gives you juicy meat and crispy skin, and it looks like we're there for these wings. So I'm going to go ahead and pull them off the grill and toss them right into a bowl with buffalo sauce. Coat them well, and they're ready to serve. And there you have it, smoked chicken wings on the Weber Kettle, served with homemade ranch. Thanks for watching Third Shift Crafts. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more wood, fire, wine, and life. I'll see you in the next video.